So let's achieve this very beautiful pineapple or popcorn hairstyle. So first of all, I started with relaxing this hair. Though the hair is actually not dirty, so I didn't leave the relaxer for so long. Right now I'm applying my normal gel and patting the hair to make sure that there is a line by the side of the hair. After which I decided to add edge control to make it stronger. So one beautiful thing about adding edge control is that it fastens the drying process. So if you don't want to enter the dryer or to use your hand dryer, maybe you just want to air dry, please add the edge control. It helps it to get stronger faster. So right now I decided to use my toothpick to pick it because toothpick has a very sharp tip. So I use toothpick to pick it, each and every one of them, from the whole of the net that I use. So guys, I will just leave you to enjoy this video. The process is actually very simple and it's not hard at all. It doesn't take so much time. So I sprinkled a little bit of water because I do not want this gel to dry out before I'm done. That's because of the edge control I used. Lovely, please do not forget to click on that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Be a part of this community and share to your friends, to your family, to people that you know that will need this video, that will need this tutorial. Please don't forget to share to them. Comment. I want to hear your view on what you think about this hairstyle. Is it something you'll be trying out yourself? Just tell me. I want to hear from you. Thank you. So lastly, I decided to spray the butterfly shadow for a stronger hold. And guys, this is the final review of the hair. Hope you like it. I want to hear your view on what you think about this hair. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.